Hollywood is in a state of profound shock and grief following the death of Eric Dane. There was a quick and devastating response when word leaked out that he died at the age of 53 from ALS. The people who knew him as a loving husband, devoted father, and devoted friend rather than a television celebrity were the ones who suffered the most from his passing, despite the media attention and public sorrow. In his last moments, Eric was not alone. Rebecca Gayheart, his spouse, remained by his side, providing consolation and courage right up until the end. Though they had experienced both challenging hardships and lovely peaks in their relationship, love triumphed over all other factors in his last chapter. She stayed with him not because of fame or history, but because of a deep connection that never truly broke. His passing left his daughters Georgia and Billy with a wound that words cannot adequately express. Eric loved his kids. In addition to being their father, he served as their emotional support system, their guardian, and their staunchest ally. He made sure they knew how much he loved them and how proud he was of them before he passed away. As a father's method of remaining present even after his death, his parting words to them were full of hope and encouragement. It hurt just as much in Hollywood. Euphoria creator Sam Levinson posted a heartfelt ode to Eric, stating he was someone who gave everything to his work and even more to the people he loved. He was full of life, compassionate, and giving. His loss seems unbelievable. Additionally, according to Levinson, Eric was a man of quiet strength who refused to let his sickness define who he was. A heartfelt tribute was also given by his Grey's Anatomy family. In her memory, Ellen Pompeo recalled that Eric had a presence that was impossible to ignore. He was warm, funny, and deeply human. Working with him was a privilege I will never forget. Her remarks demonstrated the great regard and fondness his co-stars had for him. In addition to expressing her grief, Katherine Heigl said, Eric brought so much light into every room. He wasn't just incredibly talented, he was kind and real. He made people feel comfortable and valued. According to Nina Dobrev, who also expressed her sorrow, Eric was one of the most genuine people I've ever met. He was strong, supportive, and full of heart. He will be deeply missed. Friends praised Eric for his extraordinary fortitude in overcoming his disease. His generosity and compassion were unaffected by the steady deterioration of his body caused by ALS. He remained strong emotionally and showed love and thanks right up until the end. He was also recognized by ALS awareness groups for his bravery in discussing his illness in public. By telling his tale, he made others feel less isolated and raised awareness of a condition that urgently requires study and attention. However, the most poignant tributes might not be found in headlines or declarations. The memories he made are where they reside. The giggling he did, the affection he freely offered. To his daughters, he was their hero. To his wife, he was her partner. To his friends, he was family. To the world, he was unforgettable. Even though Eric Dane is no longer with us, his influence will endure. How bravely he lived and how much he loved defined his life, not how he passed away.